Okay, so I've been watching this for another long position potentially on the BNB futures. I'm looking at this MACD here on the 5 minute pointing back upwards. I would like to see it cross potentially on the next candle in 1 minute 15 seconds. I see that it's been coming up quite nicely on the 3 minute. The MACD is about to cross potentially in the next candle in 2 minutes. Let's see if the MACD on the 5 minute gets really close at the next candle, and if the MACD crosses on the next candle, and we'll take it from there, potentially entering a long position here. I see the Bollinger Bands on the 5 minute opening up, so that could mean we will have more room to go. We have a previous high here, a recent high of 375.37, so just about $1 from right we are now, and I see strong upward momentum. I see Bitcoin doing the same, however reaching the upper band. I just would like to see the upper band open up to give us more room and support, and I see Ethereum doing the same. So it's getting up strongly now, and just want to see the MACD crossing, so it's doing it now, but ideally looking for a small pushback to get an entry point a bit lower than where we are right now. And I see on the 5 minute the MACD is hasn't crossed, and it's turning a bit down, so I'd like to see that change, potentially coming back down a bit and rolling up with another strong green candle. So let's see if that was so it went as high as the previous high here that we saw. So it went exactly to the same level, 375.47. And let's see if this is a double top to head back down, or if this is a test of resistance to break it. So I'm just going to wait for everything to get a bit clearer now. So we're pausing now. Let's see. So we cross on the MACD 3 minute. I just would like to see confirmation from the 5 minute that we're heading up for real, and that would be shown by a crossover, or at least pointing back up towards the signal line, the red signal line. And if I do enter, I'll probably look for no more than $1, given that we are at the high of the day and we've been coming up quite nicely. So let's see if that's the exhaustion phase, or if it still have some power in it. I see that Bitcoin has been cruising along the 200 MA nicely for some time, and might be able to keep on going up. Same for Ethereum, with a strong upwards trending 200 MA line. Let's see if they both can push to the upside and bring BNB with them. So I see that the Bollinger Bands on the 5 minute are opening up. We can slide along it and even go through it if we have the momentum that we need for that. And now it's pausing. So it's pausing around the 375 level, 374.80, and coming back down. So let's see if this will give us another good entry point for a long position. I just need more confirmation from the MACD on the 5 minute. So we have the next candle in 2 minutes and 10 seconds. So let's see what this one brings us. Ideally, it will be a green candle with a cross on the MACD, and the MACD on the 3 minute would separate to the upside and point up with a green candle here. And the Bollinger Bands probably, hopefully, opening up as well to the upside to give us room to go. So just waiting here. I'll wait for the next candle and see if that's going to happen. If not, I'll hold off and wait for next cycle. But let's see here. Let's give it another minute and a half more. I see that Bitcoin is trying to continue its upward trending phase, and Ethereum trying to do the same. Okay, so now we have the push. I just want to see that MACD on the 5-minute crossing, so I'll probably just wait another minute here to make sure that happens. We're already at 375.40, so we're retesting that previous high, and let's see if we can go past it and move up to the upside. I'm not entering now, just waiting. I'm gonna wait 39 seconds here to see what's going on with the MACD on the 5-minute and see if we have more momentum coming in. I see that Bitcoin is trying to cross as well, and Ethereum probably will get closer to crossing at the next candle in 23 seconds. Let's see here. It's pausing again at that 375.40 level. Going up now. Keep on pushing up. So let's see if we get a small bounce back to enter around 375.50 or something, and then try to grab $1 out of this. I'm just waiting. All right, so we crossed on the 5-minute, but just barely. So let's see if we get another push up with a clean across, and then we'll look to enter this long position here. Just want to see everyone agreeing. So I see Bitcoin, Ethereum coming back down, but this could be just a little resting pause before another push up. So let's see if we can get that to happen right now. 375.20. $375.20 still. 30. It's pausing now. It's struggling to get past that previous high that we had about 1 hour ago. So let's see if that breaks it to the upside. Just want to see Bitcoin and Ethereum doing the same with a strong green candle. Okay, so we have activity upwards now. We have 375.90. 375.85. 375.80. Let's see here. Holding up. And just waiting for Bitcoin, Ethereum to resume the upward momentum. And if they do, then I'll potentially enter this. Still haven't cleanly crossed here. If we get a continued push up, then it will probably do it. Okay, 70. So it's 73, 375. 48, 46. So we're leveling off now because Bitcoin, Ethereum still haven't resumed their upward momentum. So I'm just going to wait here. 64. Let's see if we make the $77, $87. So we have a clean across now. Clean across 58. So it's really trying to go up, but Bitcoin and Ethereum are pushing it down. So let's see if we can make one last push and break to the upside now. back down. So if it comes back down too much, then it will probably be the end of this this push here. I just want to make sure that we get a clean push and not a fake one. The fact that MACD on the 5 is struggling to cross is not a good sign for an upward move. Just want to wait. Let's wait for the next candle here on the 5 minute, 38 seconds, and see if we get a clean cross, and see if we get Bitcoin and Ethereum resume the upward momentum. And that could be the moment we are waiting for. However, if it struggles to go back up, alright, in 14 seconds we'll get the next candle. Let's see what it does. Okay, I see Bitcoin going back up a bit. And still hasn't crossed. Okay, so we crossed on Bitcoin on the MACD, and we are heading back down. So we still have some hope in that if we get another strong green candle, it will cross on the MACD here and continue upwards, and the MACD on the 3 minute will start heading back up, pointing up, and that could be another good entry point. We are 375.74 on the upper band on the 3 minute, so we are right back at 375. I see Bitcoin pushing up, and Ethereum is not pushing up, so it's actually heading down now. So I'm probably going to hold off now and wait for the next cycle. Okay, the MACD on the 3 minutes is pointing down now, so if it crosses back, definitely going to be a wait. However, if we get another big push up, it will change everything and resume the upward momentum, but I just don't see that happening now. And let's wait another few seconds and we'll call this off. Most likely. It's coming back down too much now, and it's breaking the upward cycle here. All right. Let's see if it crosses or if it rolls on the MACD 3 minute. Right now it's looking like it's going to cross back to the downside. Okay, let's wait 29 seconds for the next candle and see what that gives us, and then we'll call this off here if nothing good shows up in 18 seconds. We really have to listen to the indicators here. They're telling us everything that we need to know to make decisions, smart decisions. So it's crossing back to the downside, but it's not something I'm going to be touching now. Too much down move here, and we've touched the previous high here many times, showing strong resistance that it doesn't want to break through it right now. So I'm just going to wait for now and be back for another potential trade later.